Let me open the hood and see what the engine bay looks like after 3 weeks of not cleaning it. So this is what it looks like after 3 weeks of not cleaning the engine bay. Dirt and grimes is really visible. That's the hassle of not having a garage, but I don't have to worry. This dirt is just a piece of cake to me. I will start cleaning by spraying this engine degreaser and using a detailing brush to remove the dirt on the tight spaces. If you're going to clean your engine bay, be careful not to spray the electrical parts of your engine to avoid having problems or even engine misfires when you start the engine. Here comes the part of brushing every inch of this engine bay using my detailing brush. I am carefully brushing off the dirts, and after cleaning I'm sure that I can give this engine bay shiny, look like it's new again. Cleaning the engine bay takes a little time, effort and patience, so if you're doing it by yourself, just be patient. Time to apply this armor wax for better engine bay looks and to have a long-lasting clean engine bay. I always wanted to keep my engine bay clean to avoid rats from eating up the wires.
papakita ko kayo ng walang iba kundi kapirasong montage.
If you like this video, please give it thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell button to keep you updated with the new videos I will be uploading.